Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marissa. Thank you for stopping by today. In this video, I am doing a refrigerator clean out. It's time to get rid of some food that's kind of gotten a little rotten and throw it into the compost bin. And if I'd been thinking, I would have done a close-up of that nastiness in my refrigerator, but I was so ready to get this job done that I forgot to do a quick before scan in the refrigerator. But as you can see, there was a lot in there. It was time to get it cleaned out. I did do a little refresh on it a couple of weeks ago, so today I just needed to, get some things thrown away and just do a quick little wipe down. I do have a grocery order in the middle of this, hence the restock. So y'all sit back and let's get this done. Hope y'all enjoy. I'm just going to do a quick little Aldi haul. I have lemons. I'm going to dehydrate these lemons and put them in a jar and keep them for water. Some apples. Those look really good. Baby carrots, blueberries. I am so into blueberries. I've always loved blueberries. This whole thing I could eat for breakfast and then lunch, and I should have probably got more, but blueberries. Asparagus. I've never tried asparagus. I've been wanting to roast it in the oven, so hopefully I like those. We'll see how it goes. Grapes, and those look really good. Blackberries, mini peppers, some hash browns. I'm going to do a breakfast casserole for lunch one evening. Ham. I got ham because I have some bread left over from my last grocery order, and I want to get some lettuce out of my garden and make ham sandwiches. These are for my daughter. She really likes these vanilla chip granola bars. And then I have some shelled walnuts. My plan for my lunches and stuff this week is to do like a charcuterie lunch, and I'm just going to put a little bit of walnuts, some fruits, carrots. Like I said, I've got some other things, not a lot of food items, but some other things coming in my Walmart order in a little while. Anyway, this is my Aldi haul, and I'm going to get this put away and continue on with my cleaning. right, now I'm going to do my Walmart haul. Again, I didn't get too much this week. I tend to shop every 2 weeks, and sometimes I need a lot, sometimes I don't. This time I just wanted to get a few things to do my charcuterie lunches and some cleaning stuff. So let's just start right here. Bananas. I got these pretzels to eat with this is part of my charcuterie lunch. And banana chips, dried mangoes, strawberries. I'm going to mix all that all of that together. It'll be a nice little snack. And Miss Pris down there, she has to have her classic seafood, and it's got to be pate. She won't eat anything in gravy with chunks or anything. She won't eat chicken or turkey or beef. Seafood. This stuff stinks. Shower liner. I'm still working on a cleaning video. I got that for my sink. I got this for my shower. There are several people that I have watched on YouTube that say they just clean their shower while they're in there. I'm going to see how it goes. I'm going to fill this up with some soap, and then look at that cute little face. And then I'm going to use it. We'll see how it goes to clean shower. I got this for the kitchen. I got this for whatever I need it. I'm going to my sink and my stove. We'll see how that goes. I bought these because I am also currently working on a refrigeration clean out and pantry restock. Maybe pantry restock, but definitely refrigerator clean out and organization. So I'm going to open these up here in just a second and continue working on that, because a lot of what I got at Aldi up there is going to go in those and into the fridge. And then I got this stir fry beef bottom round steak. This right here, my husband loves homemade beef jerky. This is what I get to make it because it's already sliced thinly, and I'll just marinate it. And I could do different kinds of marinades, and it's actually, I mean, it's not a whole lot cheaper than if I were to buy a bag of jerky, beef jerky. But I mean, I do save a little bit, but I can also mess with the flavors and, you know, get something different. It's not that much cheaper, but it is a little bit, and a penny saved is a penny earned. So there's that. All right, I'm going to get all this put up and continue working on my refrigerator cleanup.
going to be it for today's video. I hope that it gave you all some motivation or inspiration, whatever it is you need to get up and do a quick little clean out of your refrigerator. I know that this is something I need to do at least every couple of weeks, sometimes more frequently. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and be part of this channel. I do cooking, cleaning, grocery hauls now, I guess, and anything that pops up in my head. So you all have a great day. Bye.